In this video I'm going to show you how to use images as answer choices in Google Forms. So what we do, we will create a new form, and as you can see I have already set the title. Now select your title and fill it in. After that we are going to add the first question. So what we will do, click on the plus sign, add a question, and after that we will add the question itself. So which thumbnail do you like the most? Now for example we have option 1, we can also add another option and another option. So we have 3 options now. So the first option will be thumbnail 1, the second one will be thumbnail 2, and the third one will be thumbnail 3. And as you can see I have added the answers right now. And what you can do to add images into an answer is basically click on this logo, add image, and then you can select your image which you want to upload. So I will upload some images. I will add this one for the first answer, and I will add another image for the second one. I will choose this one, and for the third one I will also add an image, and I will do exactly the same to upload it, and I will select this one. Now I have added an image as an answer choice in Google Form. Now if you would like to require to answer this question, then just select this one, and after that we can publish it so we can check out the result. So I will publish my form, and after that I will copy the link over here on the interface and I will copy it. Now I will open a new tab, and once I am opening it, then you will see that we have now images as answer choices. And this is how you create images as answer choices in Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!